Buju genua birasige kweendayama nungum Nitaa-ozhitoon ezhijiiyaagin part 1. Today you're going to watch how to make shapes. Minawande genandike kendan ezhijiiyaagin. These are different, they're more common shapes that you'll find out in the world. Oh, give me majitamen iyo. Oh, nesobajishkag. Nesobajishkag. Neso ba jish ka. Niso ba jish ka. Oh, niso is a number 3. Meanwhile, basic niche niswe. So there's 3 corners here, and that's why we call it a niso ba jish ka. Niche. Niche ezhijiiyaagin, our second shape for today. Oh, gakaka. Gakaka. Gakaka iyo nasa beshag. These lines, they're all the same length. Nasab akwag. They're the same length on each side. Minawa, niwen, bajishka. And there's 4 corners. Ka. That's what it's called. Niso ezhijiiyaagin, our third shape. Gakaka. Nasabi'u. These sides are the same. Oo mino ema. Minowa gitjayi nasabi'u namai. The top and the bottom are the same. But the top and the bottom are normally longer than the sides. So these top and the bottom ones are different than the side ones. Ezhijiiyaagin, and that's called a ginu gakaka. Ginu gakaka. Oh. Niwen ezhijiiyaagin, our fourth shape. Ezhijiiyaagin iyo ginu. It almost looks the same as our gakaka, but our gakaka has these perfect little square corners. Our ginu doesn't have they don't have perfect corners. Either they're bigger than our corners that are on our gnu gakaka, or really it's just kind of slanted. So that's why it's called ginu. Some people also pronounce it as ganu. Ginu, it's like it's slanted, it's long. Minawa, our nanin ezhijiiyaagin, our fifth shape for today. Weini wabanan, carefully watch this one. Anung. This one you normally see in like cartoons. You could also see it when you look up at the sky at night. Anung, get you. Ingudwaswe ezhijiiyaagin, our sixth shape for today. Ode. O-D-E, glottal. Don't forget that little glottal. Ode. And that's how we draw it. Uma. Minwa. Nijwaso ezhijiiyaagin, our seventh shape. Is this one. Wawiyeya. So let's look at some of these shapes to see what makes them a little bit different. It makes it easier to recognize them. We already mentioned that our niso bajishka has 3 niswe bajishka. It has those 3 sides, or the 3 corners. Gakaka has niwen bajishka. Has 4 corners. Ginugakaka also has 4 corners too. But the thing that makes these two different is that our anamayi beishag, minawar gidjayi, namayi beishag, minawar gidjayi beishag. Our top and our bottom are ginu. They're the long ones. These are the long sides. So these are all the same sides, and these are different than the sides on the sides and up top and bottom. Ginu. This one is different because it's tipped on its side, but also these little corners are either they're really small corners or they're really big when you compare it to our gakaka. Anangoma, our anang, yui agandani yo bajishka. Let's count how many corners there are. Bejik, nish, niswe, niwin, nanin, ingoraswe, nijwaswe, ishwaswe, jangaswe, medaswe. Medaswe, bajishka, Emma. Anang has 10 corners. That's a lot, and that's what makes it very distinctive that it's in anang. We want banana ode. Let's look at our ode. Bejik, nish, bajishkag. There are two corners here for our ode. Nish, bajishkag, ema ode. Wawiya. Let's look at our circle. Ani manik, bajishka. How many corners are on our wawiya? Gawin and dayasin. We don't have any. There's gawin, gego, ema. There are 0 wawiya. There are 0 bajishkag. There are no corners on our circles. That's all I have for you today. Mi gwich bizandawian, gigwaben wayiba.